Modi aku lau whaafukai kere lava sia osi Viki se loa ia ai mai se fo ia uso ma kua o Viki.
3, 2, 1. 都吹过。快做橄榄油。Banana. Hey you guys, off to take mum to her hair appointment. Massive shout out to Molly Girl who has kindly sponsored mum and my mum to get their hairs done today before they head off to Samoa. They're going together, so we are off to drop mum to her hair appointment. I'm pretty sure this will be her first time at a hair salon, so thank you so much to my sister Molly for thinking of mum better and for honoring Aussie as your brother-in-law. So thank you. I love you so much, sister. I love my family so much. Honestly, I don't want to toot my own horn, but my family is just built different, and I'm so grateful to God for placing me in this family, for giving me the parents that I have that has done such a great job in raising us. Anyways, I best go because we are running a little bit late. So here we go. When mum and mama are getting their hairs done, I'm probably gonna head to the store and get my my niece in Samoa something, my niece Nai, and probably my cousin Moon. She wanted some work shoes, and usually requests from Samoa, like my cousins, my family, it's a big fat no from me. Nai didn't ask for anything, but I want to get her something because I'm just so grateful to have her there helping my parents every time they come. She is just such a doll, my niece. Yeah, so my cousin Moon is working and she asked for some work shoes, so I was like, girl, if you are working and it's for work, of course, who's not going to want to support that, you know? I love to help people who love to help themselves, but the people who sit at home and just call, send mate, I'm like, no, go get a job. Go get a mother freaking job. You are able-bodied, you are not old, you are not sick, you are not dying, you can walk, you can use your hands. Go get a mother freaking job. Oh, these are our last few drives together, me and mum.
Afikai lava ya ke o whangau le angadilei ia ai la walu Samoa ia okay vili mai lava asesi mai o rua ma se loa ia maua fia maua file mu maua le mo fo fangi ia maua ise a inga ke fia ia kala ia mang ia lava o sia nge ku
yeah. Hold on, Aussie called me. I missed his call. He probably called mum as well, but she never answers the phone.
Alo fai ke alu ka kele ko ki ka va ar ke alu fo ma za fai
Makio Molly Princess fai la au
o mai un ma ki mai ma silo ma o marisus nela ma o la ngala rasio makua.
How can I help you?
Oh, we got booking. Sorry, we're a little bit late.
Under Victoria?
Yeah.
Think about you every day and night.
Mamma, ik kan wel meer fai lo. Ja, ik passau. Maar ik wil passau.
Cause every time I look around, you're never there.
Wah. Nee, hy vir my fakali dos forming okay. So they gave us some complimentary hand. It's an exfoliation. So you exfoliate your hands and then wipe it off, and then I guess the cream. Lolo, di mai fasusu. Yeah. Ole mele ave esele pa unga mango. I've left mum for a bit. Just came to quickly get my nails infilled. If I still have time, I'll probably duck into the shop and grab some things for my cousins, the ones that I was telling you about. But I'm so happy for Mum Becca. Can't wait to see the results, and I can't wait to show you guys as well. Shut up. Guys, I just got my nails done. I got the same French tips just because I really loved the look of them the last time. I'm on my way to see and meet Mum and Becca, and I cannot wait to see the results. Thank you, Molly. Big shout out to my big sissy here. Looks so nice. There's some greys that weren't really, like, I can still see a lot of greys. And I'm wondering if we should have gotten a darker color. Girl did say that some white hairs are really stubborn, so it takes a couple of times. Mummy over here, mummy, madre.
Kasi bago nga bila ulang pabar, ko erong fungi. Uy, nanganda sa ako.
Asala. What asalila? I just wanted to show you Mum for real. So you also have got some my Samoa.
Di pa ko mga ba? Yung office ay ilili. Fale fa yaya pepa.
Hola Pippo. Oh gosh, she looks beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at these two. They're excited to be going back to Samoa together. Mum bought Becca some earrings and some other stuff, some clips and stuff to take back. Hair clip for her hair.
Yeah, my lava.
Yeah, okay. You listen to me, merci dia. Ngawa di mayo fa mangyang ngayam ako.
Yeah. Yeah, merci dia. Di kasi di luwa ye. Me ano fo kawa ye kusunga.
Claro, fai.
Ungeiro makuha ka mau.
Umako mangwia le mo kio mai. Eu vai, ele lo poca, eu quero que pique oi ka, ave fero pa kau. Moi lo.
Que puli.
Kayau. Kayau.
Quero que pique na de. Yaso.
Yeah, okay. I love Mum's just gone in to get her eyebrows threaded. It's funny because I put this outfit on and I did not expect to be wearing it. I put it on because I thought I was just going to be able to drop Mum home, then go home and actually get ready and then go do my nails and do a little bit of shopping while she was getting her hair done. But when I got there, she was really nervous and I could tell she wanted me to stay, or she just needed reassurance. And so I sat there for like 40 minutes. So that was 40 minutes gone. And then I went and did my nails. So I'm still in the fit that I was not planning to wear all day, but that's all right. Because the face there. Yeah, only day, yeah, you should fool. King out karima.
Yeah.
Me ai kasia. Me fa ko ka ngoe ave ya.
De la manga ya. Fesa ya masang. Ya sa sios. Ang ali masang ili
This is my first time trying Vaisalo, guys. Like, I've never tried Vaisalo in my life. And I don't know why, because I love coconut. I love the creaminess. I love, like, any of the coconut desserts. I just love coconut. I don't know why I haven't tried it, but man, that was good. So massive shout out to Mama Judy. And thank you to my sister Sia for sharing that with me, because it's my first time and it was great. 10 out of 10 from me. I'm just a bit annoyed that they didn't get all her tips, like all the greys. Even though like from the front it looks good, but like her actual hair, they don't use harsh products. It's an organic kind of hairdressing store that my family likes to go to. They don't use like the harsh, really heavy chemical kind of products. I don't know, I would have made a complaint if I was there, but I wasn't because I was off getting my nails. Guys, we're just here in front of Laura's work waiting for her to finish. Then we're going to take her home Mum will definitely want to stay if she knows Laura's staying. So then I'm gonna go with Mum and run her last errand at Office Works before dropping her home. Yeah, oh, ia Camila.
Camila. So Camila le meterno fa ma vai.
Last night here with Mum and Mum. Yeah, whailo oi. Mum came to drop off the gift from my siblings, a money gift for Mum Becca. So now we've had dinner and playing some dominoes, waiting for the popo. Hey guys, so it is morning time. I got the morning looks again, but I had a bit of broken sleep and I was so mad at Aussie for waking me up at 5:30 when I fell asleep at 1. Because it's the Oceania 7s and he's watching to support Becca. My gosh, I was so annoyed. Like, boy, do you know that some of us are sleeping? So I'm here at Big W. I came to quickly get some things for our namesake Vika George. Shout out Vika George. So I'm getting him just a few bits and pieces from Big W. And then I'm going to see if I can pick up some things for my niece Nai in Samoa. Just because I so appreciate her. Like, every time my parents are there, she always looks after them. She considers my parents, her parents. I love her heart of service. She genuinely loves and cares for my parents. So, which she sees as her parents. You know, I don't want to say my parents. It's her parents as well. So, Nai, thank you so much. We love you. We're so appreciative of you. The burden and the worry is so much lighter when we know that you're there, you're helping look after Mum and Dad. So thank you so much, sis. I'm going to go and see if I can get you a little something. I know it might not be much, but it's just a small token of our appreciation for you, my dear niece. And hopefully we will reconnect with you soon. Good morning, guys. The big day, the sad day that Mum Betta returns to Samoa. I'm feeling a bit sad myself this morning. She's really excited. She's been up since, I want to say like 5. So we went to bed last night at 2 a.m. Past 2 a.m. I got a call from work. I was working from 11 till past 2 o'clock and she waited up for me. I kept telling her, go to bed, you know, you got a long day tomorrow, traveling and stuff like that, just go rest. She wouldn't. She said, no, we'll go when you finish work. I finished at around 2-ish. She woke up again at around 5:30-ish. So that shows how excited she is to go back home. And I said to her, and she said, so Aussie's a bit sad. I've just been observing him this morning and he seems really down. He just keeps looking at her and then looking away. And I feel sad for him. But she will be back in the new year, guys. It's funny, she was watching something on Facebook and it started talking about Israel. So she said to Aussie, oh, Israel is in heaven or something like that. And Aussie started laughing. And now he's preaching to her and she was like, oi, so la fefe awali. She's already ready. She's been ready since like 8 o'clock this morning.
background.
That's nice.
Scotty just got him a body.
So we oi.
3, 2, 1.
So cool.
That's so cute. Over here. Look. You want to go for? Yes. You want to get it? Yeah. So cute. It's so cute. Wait, one more. Cheese. Smile. Smile. Oh, wait. Shoes to got the bags packed, ready to go. She's so excited and my mom doesn't want to go at all.
Ia ai ki whawhikai whangau mo mea malava o kausinga o au mau ai ngea kungu. Ia modi aku lau whawhikai kele lava si osi viki se loa. Ia ai mai se foi ia uso ma kua o viki ne alolofa ia ke au au ngei ia kungu. Ia ora au malanga aku sa mua ka ku ki mafuka. Ia Ia foi aso ia koi foi mai u lai ia manguia lava o ko nga ia manguia foi fanga uma mariki nga le la mako aku e maki malava ale fa e ma ua kala nga va ku ia o ko ia manguia lava ia ngei kausanga mo la sanga ia o fa se fua
se taimi whaingatā nei no mātou no nofo ai ia o le atua fo ere tina ia ni atu nua te fo ia tu le mea o lo penana mau i Samoa ia mo i lava ua misia le mafutanga whaingatā o no le nofo wala i nā tunu e ui le waina lai titi le taimi ia e whaptai le lio no se mafutanga sa mātou mafutai nei atunu. Ia, manuia tele le lua whainga malanga nei aso. Ia, whenau na tautai le li le lua whainga malanga ia taunu manuia i Samoa ia. Ia, e whaftai tele mo mea umalava. Ta e whaia mo mātou le whanau i nei o tato mafutai. Whautuanga o timainga, ngā teirea o ngaruenga tele sa e whai e tono stato ainga. Ia, o le ato e pai fo i mato la pisi. Taro i le li ina i whapoponi stau sanga stele o roso i fua, tato te mafutai. Tato i fia whatasi ai, sia o e tono stato ainga. I'm gonna be a strong man, you know? But yeah. Ano fitere mo oi mam mira malanga tu Samoa lo fa tu yuso ma tu fa fine nga te reo fa nau stara na mai a nei pintao na o tangi ona o ni yeah to be strong man mi te lo malanga e vesi tala se roa yeah Mako hosi, aisina mako breakfast lea. Yeah.
Okay, we're here at Dobinson's. We just got a few things to have breakfast. I picked up Mum a coffee and a brioche bun as well. So she has something to eat on her way. Waiting for our coffee orders now and hot chocolate. Her last Dobinson meal. Oh yeah? Lakula. There you go. Split in 4. Everyone gets a piece. Oil out. I dropped them 3 home. Just pulled up here to Mum's. I came to see if she needed any help packing. I brought her a coffee and a wrap from Dobinson. So let's go give it to Mummy. I'm going to miss her so much. My mummy's all nice and ready. Looks beautiful. Her fit from Sia, her other daughter. Excited, Mum?
Not really. I miss my grandkids.
What's that?
Ma roso I fua malangi ma. Le fa patio le tua. Ia o fali ma foi. Kangata e tapua ai ma fa lo le ufa winga le tua ne aso. Ia. Na saunga tu e fai malanga ko foi samunta. Si ainga ia mangua tele la manga le aso sa pak ya ke o ko uma. Eddie, stop it.
You right? Oh, nice. Let there. Let's go.
Is this roll?
Yeah, that's roll.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Let's go. Bring everything to life right now.
What's the eel? Mickey, look outside.
Here now with the squad, with the crew, this most annoyingest crew in this world. These three. Hey, mummy.
I'm not excited.
Scotty just got hit my body.
Bye, Nelson. Bye.
Bye, baby. You want to press the side?
Ayam dengan day malay. Ya, aku biasa bila Christmas. Kau jadi ya.
Yeah. Nakiat ko sa. Yeah. Ang family lo loko. Nakiat ko sa. Yeah.
Monday.
Hello.
Semua. Ah.
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 Mom, seriously, you're supposed to be strong. She's going only for 3 weeks. Hi, little Junior. Cute. Bye, Mom. The fuck you at that? She just said it's delayed 15 minutes. No, she said don't let him don't give the car to me.
Auntie, do you know what that is? Auntie, do you know what that is? Auntie, do you know what that
Oh,
is?
you angapongi and you angapongi.
I'm hungry.
Bye, Nanny. Guys, this is the first time I've ever been driven around by this nephew. Bit nervous, must admit. Bit nervy. Alright, we'll see you guys because we want to listen to music. Can you imagine? I used to change this guy's nappies and now he's driving me. What in the world? What's these cars over there?
What?
Yeah, can he? Just exit. I got a ticket. Ah, he got through. Do you miss your nan? Huh? Finally having something to eat in the park. Yeah.